Hello friends, in this lesson we are going to solve some basic logarithms questions, and I have 3 questions on the board for us to go through. That is, evaluate the following. And A, I have log 8 base 2, B, log 81 base 3, C, log square root of 2 exponent 6 base 2. To solve this type of questions, I'm going to give you 2 different methods that you can use to solve them. So let's take method 1 first. After that, we use method 2. Method 1. A, log 8 base 2. To use method 1, take the whole of this log and equate to a variable. So I'll say let the whole of this log to be equal to x. I will now take this log away, and by taking this log away, 8 will come down. We are just using the trick that we're using during the proof of the laws of logarithms. So taking this log away, 8 will come down, and 2 will switch to the right hand side. And when 2 switch to the right hand side, x will now be the index of 2. So I'll now have 2 exponent x. I will now convert 8 to a multiples of 2. That is how many 2's will give me 8 when I'm multiplying them. And you can see that 2 times 2 is 4, times 2, 8. That means 2 exponent 3 is 8. So I'll write 2 exponent 3 is equal to 2 exponent x. And now the bases are the same. That is 2 is equal to 2. It means that the powers 2 will be the same. So I can now say that x is equal to 3. Therefore, log 8 base 2 is equal to 3. So this is my answer for that. B, log 81 base 3. That one too should be equal to a variable. Let me use y now. And by taking the log away, 81 will come down. So I'll have 81, and 3 will switch to the right hand side. And switching 3 there, it means y will now be the exponent of 3. I will now convert 81 into a multiples of 3, meaning how many 3's will give me 81 when I'm multiplying them. And you can see that 3 times 3 is 9, times another 3, 27, times 3, 81, meaning 3 exponent 4 will give me 81, and this should be equal to 3 exponent y. And if the bases are the same, that is 3 is equal to 3, it means the powers 2 are the same. So that means y will be equal to 4. I can now conclude by saying that log 81 base 3 is equal to 4. Let's take C. See, I have log square root of 2 exponent 6, and the base is 2. Then this one, let's equate it to a variable. Let's say this is equal to m. And taking the log away, square root of 2 exponent 6 will come down, and 2 will switch to the right hand side, and we'll have 2 exponent m. And this square root sign from indices or index notation, square root sign means exponent half. So I have 2 exponent half multiplying by this exponent, which is also 6, will be equal to 2 exponent m. Now, half times 6 is 3. So this side will be 2 exponent 3, which is equal to 2 exponent m. If the bases are the same, that is 2 is equal to 2, it means that their powers 2 will be the same. So m will be equals to 3. Therefore, log square root of 2, all exponent 6 base 2, my answer will be 3. So this is how we use method 1. Let's use method 2. Method 2, taking a, which is log 8 base 2. This method, you don't equate the whole log to a variable, but you convert the number that you have here using the base of the log. What I'm trying to say is that you have to convert 8 into a multiples of 2 because the log base here is 2. So in this case, I can now say that log, how many 2's will I multiply and I'll get 8? 3 of them. So this 8 will now be the same thing as 2 exponent 3, and the base is 2. And from the third law of logarithms, we said when you have something like this, the exponent will come and multiply the log of this number with the base, meaning 3 will come and multiply log 2 base 2 from the third law of logarithms. And we also know that log of a number and the base being the same thing as the number is equal to 1. That is log 2 base 2 is 1. And 1 times 3 is 3. So you can see that method 1 answer is the same as method 2 answer. They are all what? 3, 3. Let's take B. B, log 81 base 3. Then this will be equal to, I'll first of all convert 81 into a multiples of 3. And 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 4 times will give me 81. That will be log 3 exponent 4 base 3. And from the third law of logarithms, this is the same thing as 4 log 3 base 3. And log 3 base 3 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. And you can see that the answer there too is the same thing as what we have in method 1. Then let's take C. Log square root of 2 exponent 6. And the base is 2. This should be equal to log base 2. Square root of 2 is the same thing as 2 exponent half times this power, which is 6. And I will now have log base 2 half times 6 is 3. This means that 2 exponent 3 now. And from the third law of logarithms, this is the same thing as 3 log 2 base 2. The power will come and multiply everything. And log 2 base 2 is 1. And 1 times 3 is 3. So this is how we solve questions like this using method 1 and method 2. So you can decide to choose the method that you think is good for you to use. Thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Prof. Nabla Maths Class, for more videos. Bye bye.